guys, welcome to my new video. I will give you this anime logo file. This logo file was password protected. Password in this video, watch full video and koloisti the password. File link in description. Now go to main video, subscribe and turn on bell notification and like this video and comment.
Never meant what I needed. I'm letting go, a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing.